Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. We are going to practice speaking using verb was and verb were. Kita akan praktek berbicara menggunakan kata kerja was dan were. Okay, let's get started. Kita mulai. Well, there is a conversation exercise here. Ada latihan percakapan di sini. Okay. Well, untuk cara membuat kalimat dengan kata kerja was dan were ada di video lain. Silahkan tonton dulu atau pelajari dulu sebelum praktek latihan berbicara. Oke, di sini kita hanya akan latihan berbicara, tidak membahas cara membuat kalimat was dan were. Oke, let's get started. I'm going to explain the meaning of the questions here so that you will be able to answer them easily. Jadi saya akan bahas dulu makna kalimat-kalimat pertanyaan ini sehingga Anda bisa menjawabnya dengan mudah nantinya. Okay, number one, were you a good student in elementary school? Were you, apakah kamu seorang siswa yang baik di SD, elementary school? Jadi was and were ini dipakai untuk keadaan di masa lalu ya, di masa lampau, di SD misalnya, atau di SMP, atau ketika masih umur 4 tahun misalnya, itu di masa lampau, atau pekan lalu, bulan lalu. Jawaban pertanyaan ini you can say yes atau no. Kalau yes, I was a good student, saya dulu seorang siswa yang baik. Atau no, I wasn't a good student, aku bukan siswa yang baik. I was a bad student, saya seorang siswa yang nakal. Okay, number next, were you always on time? Apakah kamu selalu tepat waktu? Jawabannya pilihannya hanya yes atau no atau sometimes. You can say yes, I was always on time, atau no, I wasn't, I was always late. Saya selalu terlambat, atau I almost always late, saya hampir selalu terlambat. Atau you can say, well, I was sometimes on time, but sometimes I was late. Misalnya begitu ya. Dan were you diligent too? Apakah kamu rajin juga? Yes, I was diligent, atau I was very diligent. Atau no, I wasn't, I was lazy, saya malas. Kemudian, were all your classmates friendly? Apakah your classmates ya, teman-teman kelasmu friendly, bersahabat, ramah, baik? You can say yes, they were very friendly, atau they were friendly. Atau no, they weren't, they were not friendly, atau they weren't friendly. Atau jawaban ketiga, well, some of my classmates were friendly, beberapa dari teman kelasku baik-baik, but some of them were naughty, tapi beberapa di antaranya nakal. Oh, I see. Oh, begitu. And who were your naughty classmates? Dan siapa teman kelasmu yang nakal? You can say their names here. Terus nama mereka di sini, misalnya they were Ateng, Otong, Atang, Utang, Iting, and Itang, misalnya ya, teman-teman nakal. Dan who were your good classmates? Siapakah teman-teman baikmu? You can say their names here, mention them, sebutkan di sini. Their names were, atau they were, Joko, Johnny, Tony, etc. And then who were your best friends? Who were your best friends? Siapa teman terbaikmu? Mention their names here, sebutkan nama mereka di sini. My best friends were Jackie, David, Phillips, and John. Atau they were Shinta, Dewi, Dina, and Santi. Ya. Next, who your math teacher? Who? Siapakah guru matematikamu? You can say here, my math teacher was Mr. Paiman. Atau my math teacher was Miss Risa. And what was your favorite subject? What was your favorite subject? Favorite subject, mata pelajaran favorit ya. What? Apa? My favorite subject was mathematics. Misalnya ya. Next, were all your teachers patient? Apakah seluruh gurumu sabar? Jawabannya, you can say yes, they were all patient. Mereka semua sabar. Atau no, they weren't. Tidak, they weren't patient. Mereka tidak sabar. Atau ketiga, well, some of my teachers were patient. Beberapa guru saya sabar, but some of them weren't patient. Beberapa di antaranya tidak sabar. Pertanyaan lanjutannya, were they short-tempered, temperamental? Apakah mereka short-tempered? Short temper itu bersumbu pendek, gampang marah. Temperamental juga suka uring-uringan, marah-marah. You can say yes, they were short-tempered, they were temperamental. Atau no, they weren't short-tempered. Atau some of them were short-tempered, while some of them were patient. Sebagiannya sabar. Oke, silahkan dijawab menurut kondisi Anda sendiri ya. Sendiri atau pengalaman Anda sendiri dulu ketika masih di SD. But let's continue. There are some more questions. Kita lanjutkan dulu, masih ada beberapa pertanyaan untuk latihan berbicara. Go. Here it is. The list of questions. Pertanyaan, sederet pertanyaan. What was your favorite snack? What was your favorite snack? Apa kudapan favoritmu atau cemilan favoritmu? Ini zaman dulu ya, ketika masih di SD ya. You can say my favorite snack was what is it? Ciki Caka or whatever. Then what was your favorite game? You can say my favorite game was Gobak Sodor, or my favorite game was Kasti. My favorite game was hide and seek. Whatever. And then, how old were you when you were in the first grade? How old were you? Berapa usiamu when you were in the first grade? Ketika kamu berada di kelas 1, first grade ya, kelas pertama. You can say I was, nggak boleh yes no ya, ini jawabannya I was, bukan yes no. I was 7 years old atau I was 10 years old. Saya berumur 7 tahun. Atau I was 10 years old. Saya berumur 10 tahun. Then what was your hobby? Apa hobimu? Zaman dulu ya di SD. What was your hobby? My hobby was fishing misalnya. Hobi saya memancing. Atau my hobby was playing soccer. Hobi saya bermain sepak bola. My hobby was bicycling. Hobi saya bersepeda. My hobby was swimming in Musi River misalnya. Hobi saya adalah berenang di Sungai Musi dan lain-lain. And then, what was your favorite movie? Apa film favoritmu? My favorite movie was Pendekar Kapak Naga misalnya ya. My favorite movie was Superman. My favorite movie was Jailangkung. Whatever you can write here. Okay, and then who was your hero? Siapa pahlawanmu dulu ya? My favorite hero was Spider-Man, or my favorite hero was General Sudirman. My favorite hero was Soekarno. Kalau di sini favorite actor, who was your favorite actor? You can say my favorite actor was, siapa favorit aktornya ya? Joko Bengek misalnya. Right. The last question, pertanyaan terakhir. What was your favorite song when you were a child? Apa lagu favoritmu ketika kamu masih anak-anak? My favorite song was Balonku Ada Tiga. My favorite song was Bintang Besar, etc. Okay, so now it's your turn. Sekarang giliran Anda. Answer the questions from the start. Jawab pertanyaan dari awal tadi ini based on your own information or your own experience, ya, or your own childhood. Jawab berdasarkan informasi diri Anda sendiri, alias pengalaman Anda sendiri, alias masa kecil Anda sendiri. Ini di SD ya, semuanya merujuk kepada waktu ketika Anda masih di SD. Silakan jawab di sini pertanyaan ini, jawaban di sini, jawab di sini, jawab di sini, dan seterusnya sampai di akhir sini. Contohnya sudah saya berikan tadi. Nah, kemudian setelah dijawab secara tertulis, practice the conversation with your partner. Praktekkan percakapan ini dari awal tadi sampai sini dengan pasangan Anda, dengan teman. Jadi satu bertanya, satu menjawab. Nah, yang menjawab usahakan tidak melihat tulisan ya. Dengarkan saja pertanyaan lawan, kemudian jawab, terus gantian. Usahakan lancar menjawabnya ya, sehingga lidah dan mulut menjadi terbiasa. Kalau perlu ulangi lagi percakapannya, terus pertanyaannya diacak. But if you don't have a partner, kalau Anda tidak punya pasangan, tidak punya teman praktek, read the conversations yourself. Read the conversation yourself. Baca percakapan itu sendiri. Read out loud. Read it out loud. Baca saja kencang-kencang gantian ya, agak kencang supaya lidah lancar dan terbiasa. Okay, I think that's all for the lesson. Practice again and again. Praktek lagi dan lagi supaya kemampuan berbicara mulut dan lidah itu menjadi lancar. Okay, that's all for the lesson. See you sometime in the future. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.